Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your well-being with Thrive Market, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Thrive Market website. Create an account by providing your email and setting a password. Browse through the wide range of organic and natural products available. Utilize the search bar to find specific items that cater to your dietary needs. Consider signing up for a membership to access exclusive prices. Review the membership benefits, including discounts on healthy products. Once signed in, explore categories like supplements, snacks, and household goods. Add desired products to your cart. Check for any special promotions or discounts available for your first order. Proceed to checkout and enter your shipping information. Select your preferred payment method and finalize your purchase. Once your order arrives, take the time to explore and organize your new products. Incorporate these healthy items into your daily routine. Plan balanced meals using the ingredients you've purchased. Experiment with new recipes featuring Thrive Market products. Monitor how your body feels with these nutritional changes. Engage with the Thrive Market community for tips and support. Reflect on your progress regularly to assess your overall well-being. Continue to explore new products and adjust your shopping habits as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.